Are your energy prices surging? Are you feeling sick with allergies constantly? Believe it or not, these two things can be correlated. It all has to do with your HVAC system. What is your HVAC system? Your HVAC system stands for heating, ventilating, and air conditioning. Its main functions are to push warm air and cool air through the ductwork, filtration, and ventilation through your home. And if it's dirty, it can cause it to work overtime, causing your energy prices to surge, as well as causing allergies and sicknesses to worsen. Today I'm here with expert HVAC cleaning technician Rico, and he's going to show you how we professionally clean your HVAC system. Rico, why shouldn't homeowners clean their HVAC system themselves?
You shouldn't clean it yourself only because you run the risk of getting shocked or damaging your coils. If you damage the coils, then you run the risk of refrigerant leak in the home, which you don't want. So just give us a call.
Stanley Steemer's patented cleaning technology works way better than any household item that you could use when it comes to cleaning your HVAC system. As you saw before, we removed the panel and then removed the blower motor. The blower motor is responsible for pushing the air throughout the home through the ductwork and the ventilation system. Here is where you can find buildup of dust, dirt, and microbials. Now we are going to use compressed air to clean out the dirt, debris, and buildup, and then we're going to wipe it down with a disinfectant to improve your air quality. Here at Stanley Steemer, we take the cleaning process very seriously. We inspect the central unit to make sure that there is no more dust or debris that could lead to microbial growth. After we're done cleaning and disinfecting, we reinstall the central air unit to manufacturer standards and run a few tests to make sure everything is running correctly. And after that, it's good to go. Thank you so much for watching today, how we professionally clean your HVAC system. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And give us a call at 1-800-STEAMER.